Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to keep track of your balances using the Tricount application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on one of the entries that appear at your home page. Click on the balances section at the top. And here you are going to see all of the people included into your expenses. You're going to see this chart and the expenses. You can see this how should I balance part. You can check out who owes you. In this case you owe Alex, as you can see, and if you want to pay back the money to him, so to say reimburse him, tap on the reimburse button and you should select your method of payment. As you can see, you are about to pay the amount that needs to be reimbursed to your counterpart with your selected method of payment. You need to confirm his or her information below, such as his name and email address. Then tap on import contact and then you can proceed with the payment as well. So basically that's it. If you want to share it, tap on the share button in the upper right corner and you can send it to your friends if you want them to keep up with the your balances. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.